Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Hope you and your loved ones are okay and enjoying life, enjoying good food, enjoying healthy food and organic food, because you should take care of your health. That is of pivotal importance. And I hope you're also enjoying my online workshops that I offer here, HRD workshops on my channel, and these are really helpful for you, for your professional growth. And besides that, these recipes that I offer are organic and very good for your health. So all those who are not our family members on this YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel and become our dear family members and nice family members. And of course, we will together benefit from this program, from this channel, as we go along and progress, because a lot of people who cannot afford to get HRD training workshops, who cannot pay for them, will get them free of cost here on this channel, and that is my main aim. And a lot of people will come to know about organic cooking, organic recipes, pure food that will be good for their health. And that also is my main aim, because in this world, in today's world, busy world, we are so engrossed in our lives, materialistic lives, that we forget about our health, and that is very bad. So my dear friends, all of you, I invite you and welcome you into my YouTube channel family. And please take just a second to subscribe to the channel and become our family members, before we go on to discuss today's recipe, which is minced meat with capsicum. And it is a very tasty, very healthy and very simple recipe as well. Doesn't take a lot of time to cook at all, and you will be very happy with the results. Capsicum tastes really great with minced meat. So you subscribe and let us start with the recipe, how we make it. Let's discover which ingredients we are going to use to make this delicious recipe. And the main ingredients are, as you can see, I have capsicum, half a kg of capsicum, and I have cut it. You can see that in the bowl. And I have some onions with me, 4 to 5 medium-sized onions. I have cut them also, diced them in big pieces. And I have 5 small-sized tomatoes. I had them frozen with me. I've peeled them by putting them in warm water, and I will crush them later on. I have 6 garlic cloves. I will crush them too. And yes, minced meat, because minced meat is very important. We are going to cook minced meat with capsicum. So this is 400 grams of minced meat that I've got with me, and on top of it, in the wok, I've got this minced meat, and on top of it, I have put in my spices also that I'm going to use in this recipe, and those are salt, red chili powder. Both of these you're going to add according to your own taste, not according to my taste. The quantity that suits you, you're going to use. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dried coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black cumin, and half a teaspoon, rather less than half a teaspoon of carom seeds. These are all the spices that we are going to need to make this fabulous recipe. Now to the minced meat with spices in the wok, we are going to add some water. Okay, almost a glass and a half of water. Add to it and put it on stove, and let the minced meat cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, on low to medium heat flame, and it will be done then. In the meanwhile, you will be taking the lid off, and you will be stirring the minced meat with the help of a spatula or whatever you use for cooking, okay, so that the minced meat does not burn. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, when you take the lid off, the minced meat will be in this shape. At this point, add 1 cup of oil to the minced meat. And after that, I will add a little more water. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, I will add in a little more water into the minced meat, and I will add my tomatoes. I have cut them this time. I have not crushed them but cut them. And the tomatoes, if you don't have frozen tomatoes, it's okay, you can just take fresh tomatoes. They won't be peeled, but you can cut them and add them in. And I've added in my onions as well that I had diced. Both these things go in, and with those the beautiful green capsicum also goes in, and then you stir it, mix everything together, and look at the beautiful colors. And you cover it, put the lid on, and let it cook for 20-25 minutes, and then check if your capsicum is done, if your onions are done. They won't become very soft, but they will turn color and will become tender a bit, okay. So as tender as you want, you will keep them accordingly. As tender as you want the capsicum to be, you will keep that accordingly, and your food will be cooked. Your capsicum with minced meat will be cooked then. And after half an hour, almost half an hour, my veggies with minced meat are ready. Now you can see I have dished it out, minced meat with capsicum, and the color of tomatoes and onions is looking so beautiful. You can serve it easily with black seed rice. The recipe is there on my channel, you can get it from there. You can serve it with potato rice as well. The recipe again is there. You can serve it with paratha, with naan, with plain bread, with pita bread, anything that you like, okay. And it will be a fabulous recipe. Everyone will like it. Everyone will like the aroma of it and the taste of it. So do comment afterwards, after cooking it and serving it. Do comment in the comment section how you liked it. Do like and share the recipe, and of course subscribe to the channel to become a part of our YouTube family. We welcome you all. Take care of your health, take care of the health of those around you, make others happy, and you will be happy yourself. And do remember me in your prayers, please.